So, today we're going to talk about families of entrepreneurs and just their belief system. And is it your family that's holding you back from becoming an entrepreneur? Khamoya Gordon here, guys, from KhamoyaGordon.com. And real quick, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. So today we're gonna talk about the families of the entrepreneur, right? And today I was talking to a fellow entrepreneur because, guys, this is what I do every day. Okay, I make videos to update you guys, just to let you know, just like, and understand that being an entrepreneur, it's not a 9 to 5. It's like, it's a lifestyle, and it's something that you have to maintain, sustain, and remain strong in it, right? So today, as I was saying, I was talking to a fellow entrepreneur, and he was saying to me, Moya, I'm having a huge fight for my family, and so on and so forth. And I'm like, listen, I love my family. I'm sure you love your family too. But leave them out of this. Don't even let them know what you are doing, because they're going to say it's a scam. It's better to get a job, the whole 9 yards, because they are used to a particular norm. You know what I mean? They're used culturally, online marketing, is not a job. Affiliate marketing is not a job. And they're right. It's not a job. It's a lifestyle. It is not for everybody. Me, when I started out in the online marketing world, I was all excited and I told my family about it. But I realized they don't believe in my dream. They don't believe in my career path, in what I picked up. They always have my back, but they're like, yeah, stuff like that. It's not possible, but keep on doing what you're doing if that's what makes you happy. Because my family believe that, as long as it makes me happy, then that's good. That's all that is important. But they're like, yeah, you'll soon, go looking for a 9 to 5. Leave your family out of it, guys. They will not support you. I'm telling you, if you're lucky enough, to be a part of a family that says, yeah, good job, yeah, it's a great move, and stuff like that, kudos to you. Because I probably would not believe in me either initially when I started out. Or if somebody came to me and said, yeah, online marketing, I'd be like, you better go get a job. You know what I mean? I probably would do that. And that's the reason I say that, in a society that we grow up, we go to college, get into a good college, get our degree, go to job, work the 40 hours, and then retire after 40 years, get that retirement money, and the whole 9 yards. We are programmed to believe that that's the only way it will work. And I cry bullshit, guys. I'm going to tell you, that's bullshit. You know why? There is me, right? And there are a lot of other marketers out there that is making it work. There are a lot of other marketers out there that is saying, hey, no, we have another way. I'm telling you. I started out, guys, and I was so, I didn't know what to do. I was lost. And the same program that the link, the link will be provided in the description. But the same strategy that I follow with these another entrepreneur, my mentor is doing. I follow his strategy, and bam, look at me now. I didn't try to reinvent the wheel. Guys, do not try to reinvent the wheel. Just work with what's working for everybody else out here. There's no reinventing the wheel, okay? Just work. Apply. Guys, in my previous videos, I hope you subscribe to my channel, because on my previous videos, I provide so many, just nuggets on top of nuggets on top of nuggets. But in my previous videos, I went in depth as to what is required to be successful online. And the three things that is required is consistency. You have to remain consistent even when you're not in the mood, even when you're feeling down, even when the money's not coming in. You have to remain consistent. Discipline. Discipline is, just deciding that working with your consistency and your mental health, right? So working with all those together in unison, I'm telling you guys, that is all you need for your business to bang. That is it. So your family may not believe in you. Your friends may not believe in you. Heck, your spouse may not believe in you. But if you're watching my video right now, there's a reason you're here. I believe in you. I believe in you. My link is provided down below with a system. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I use that system, and it has been working wonders for me. As I said in my previous videos also, the system, whichever system you choose, whatever you choose, you just need to remain consistent, be disciplined, and your mental health is in check. So you probably won't choose my company that I'm using. It's okay. You're on my video, and I'm telling you that you will make it. Whatever company you choose, you will make it. There's a reason you're on my video right now. Your account is being overdraft. I have been there. I have been there. You don't have money to put gas in your car. I have been there. I'm telling you, when you hit that rock bottom, there is nowhere further to go. The only place you can go now is up. Unless you're going to remain stagnant, but you're not going to do that. You're not going to just stay at rock bottom. You're going to move up. My lights out. I did my video later, so. But, yeah, guys. I'm telling you, the reason you're watching this video right now is just for me to reassure you and let you know that I believe in you. I know you can do it. I know you will do it. And I know you will make it. And you're going to come back to this video and you're going to say, leave a comment and say, you know what? I did. I watched your video a month ago. I watched your video yesterday. I watched your video a year ago. I watched this video a year ago. And I did it. And thank you for believing in me. I'm telling you, each and every one that's watching this right now, and you especially, yes, you, I believe in you. You will be fine. You will make it. I have been exactly where you were at. I have been there. And I am here to reassure you that you will make it. Guys, I have my company link provided down below. I advise you to try it out. And as long as you apply what I tell you to apply in my previous videos, you will be fine. And you will be out here and you will be banking day in, day out as long as you put the work in. I'm telling you. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for hopping on. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, guys. Share this video with your friends. Somebody that need that reassurance to let them know that they will be okay. Share this video. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment to let me know what you'd like me to talk about, and we'll see what we can do. Join me on Facebook. The link is also in my description. Join me on Facebook. And I'm goofy, guys. I'm a soldier, but I'm also goofy. I'm goofy as heck. I'm so goofy. Join me on Facebook. Share something. Put a smile on my face. And let me give you a shout out in my video too for putting a smile on my face. Thanks for hopping on. Remember to subscribe. And until next time, or until tomorrow, peace.